Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable the visibility of profanity in live captions on your Android phone. So specifically the Samsung Galaxy in today's tutorial, but will apply to Android and Google Pixel devices as well. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on the home screen and then select the setting gear button. You want to go down on this page until you get to the area that says sound and vibration and select it. And then scroll down again and select live caption. And then go down again where it says hide profanity. Profanity will be replaced with an asterisk symbol. If you want to hide profanity, click inside the oval one time. Otherwise, you can click it again. It should be grayed out, meaning that profanity will not be hidden in this case. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.